Next question. It goes, a string of length 1.0 meters vibrates in 10 loops. Okay? If the total mass of the string is 1.0 times 10 raised by 3 kilograms and the tension in it is 10 Newton, then calculate the frequency of the vibration. So solution, the given data from here, our length is given to be 1.0 meters. Okay? Then what again is given? Vibrates in 10 loops. So number of loops is given to us. We'll not use this now. We use it at the end of our solution. Okay? So number of loops is 10. Is that clear? Take note of this. We're going to use it to multiply by our frequency later. So number of vibrations, which is loop, is equal to 10 loops. Is that clear? So total mass of the string is given to be 1.0. So let's write that. Our mass is equal to 1.0 times 10 raised by minus 3 kilograms. And the tension in it, so our T is given to be 10 Newton. Let's write that. 10 Newton. So calculate the frequency of the vibration. So that's where the problem lies. So F is equal to unknown. So we need a formula that can connect these data. So using F is equal to 1 over 2L multiplied by the square root of T over M. We'll be able to solve this problem using this formula. Is that clear? So F is equal to, okay, can you see that? 1 all over 2 multiplied by L. Our L is 1.0, so multiply by 1. Okay? Then multiplied by the square root of T. Our tension is 10 all over M. Our M is 1.0. Okay? 1.0 times 10 raised by minus 3. Are you following? Times 10 raised by minus 3. So, solving this further, our F, let's rewrite this please. Square root of 10 all over 1.0 times 10 raised by minus 3. Are you getting the gist? So, from here, our F will now equal 1 over 2 multiplied by the square root of 10 divided by 1.0 times 10 raised by minus 3 will give us 10 raised by 4. Are you here? So that F is equal to 1 all over 2 multiplied by the square root of 10 raised by 4 will give you 10,000. The square root of 10,000 is 100. So 100 times 1 is 100 divided by 2, and it will give you 50 hertz. I hope you are following. So this becomes our frequency, 50 hertz. Now, they are asking us, or they give us a particular value, and they said that it is 10 loops. Okay? For a single loop, we have 50 hertz. Exactly. So if we multiply that, now, since it vibrates in 10 loops, okay, they will now multiply 50 by 10. Exactly. So F is equal to 50 times 10 and is equal to 500 hertz. That becomes our final answer. Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. stay equipped, stay liquid.